Hello everyone, welcome to Clarity 16.2.1 Future Supportability Training. I am Ramakrishna. As part of this section, we will be talking about people-centric planning, resource directory by manager functionality. This is a new functionality introduced in Clarity 16.2.1 release. As part of 16.2.1 release, we are introducing the functionality to display the resource hierarchy of the logged in user up to 3 levels, displaying the details of the user's manager, peers, and reportees. As organizations move from funding work to funding people, understanding how people are organized becomes more important. We leverage the existing resource information in Clarity and provide visibility into the resource organizational structure based on the resource manager attribute. Customers will have a visual way to see this hierarchical relationship along with their direct reports, peers, and managers. Please note that the resource directory by manager feature is in beta with release 16.2.1. The beta tag appears on the resource directory screen. In this demonstration, you will see the functionality of resource directory by manager. We have introduced a new workspace resource directory and a new global access right resource directory navigate. A user with resource directory navigate global access right can access the new workspace resource directory. I logged into Clarity 16.2.1 system as a user Ian Arpal. The logged in user Ian Arpal is provided with the global access right resource directory navigate, and he can navigate to resource directory workspace. On resource directory screen, we have resource navigator, a navigation wizard displaying the resources list containing the names of the logged in user and his or her manager details. Resource navigator displays the upward hierarchy of the logged in user. We can see Ian Arpal's upward hierarchy getting displayed in resource navigator. We can expand our collapse resource navigator. The tree on the resource directory screen displays logged in users, manager, peers, and direct reports. We can see tree displaying Ian Arpal's manager, peers, and direct reports. In the resource directory screen, the highlighted tile represents the logged in user. Here we can see that Ian Arpal's tile is highlighted. If logged in user clicks on any of the user tile, then that tile will be highlighted, displaying new users, manager, peers, and direct reports. If we click on Rosie Miller, Rosie's tile is highlighted, showing her manager, peers, and direct reports. The same is getting reflected in Resource Navigator. In the resource directory screen, at any point of time, user will be seeing 3 levels, that is user, users previous, and users next. A row will display 10 cards and the 11th card will be shown with the name show more along with the remaining resources number to be shown. User can navigate through and view the remaining resources by clicking show more card. Here we can see Rosie Miller's report is row showing a show more card with number 38, indicating that there are 38 more reports that can be viewed. User can use mouse wheel for zooming on the screen. Tile badges. Resource tile will have the name, department, and metrics. that are displayed as tile badges. Let us look at the metrics being displayed as badges. Metrics displayed are number of active investments like projects, ideas, custom investments, and teams that the user manages. In this case, 99 plus represents the active investments being managed by Ian Appel. Number of teams that the user manages. In this case, 13 represents the teams that Ian Appel manages. And the number of direct reports. In this case, 7 represents the number of Ian Appel's direct reports. Please note, if there is no data, then the respective metric will not be displayed. Now let us look at other settings available on resource directory screen, that is view options. In view options we have label, person type, and include inactive people flag. User can change the label on the badge that they want to display, and list will display the attributes of the type, lookups, strings, and OBS on resource object. For OBS, we will display the last unit of OBS and not the full path. As we can see with Ian Appel, department OBS label, business ops is a OBS, and we are not displaying full path of OBS here, but only last unit. There will be a flag to display person type on resource tile. We will display person type when this flag is enabled. In the example, we can see E getting displayed with Ian Appel tile representing person type employee. Please note that we will only display the person type badge along with color when the display mapping is set on person type attribute of resource object. By default, include inactive people flag will be disabled. Resource directory screen will show only active resources when include inactive people flag is disabled. And when we enable include inactive people, resource directory screen will display inactive resources, managers, and peers. In the example, we can see Deborah Berry, an inactive resource, reporting to Ian Appel, getting displayed when the flag include inactive people is enabled. User can only perform context menu action explore relationships on inactive resource card. In resource directory view options, we have layout tab. User can select from any of the available file layouts, namely horizontal, vertical, tree, double line, or compact, to display resource hierarchy. Let us click on double line and look at the hierarchy structure. In this way, user can use any of the layouts to display the data, and user selection will be saved as part of user saved view for each instance. This concludes the people-centric planning resource directory by manager session. Thank you.